This is how I grow mung bean sprouts on my kitchen counter. I buy organic mung beans online and use a 2-liter mason jar with a lid stand that allows the water to drain out and air to go in to grow the sprouts. I only use 3 tablespoons of seeds to fill the jar full of their sprouts, and that takes about 4 or 5 days. I activated the seeds by adding a cup of water to the jar and allowing the seeds to soak in the water at room temperature for about 8 hours. After the seeds have had a chance to soak, I drain the water and stand the jar upside down on the special lid to drain them. Every time I walk by the jar, I give the seeds a feeding with a rinse of fresh water and a drain, or at least half a dozen times a day. Bean sprouts like lots of water, but not soaking in it. Day 2 and the mung beans have started sprouting. I keep adding water and letting the seeds drain as I watch them grow. Day 3 and the sprouts have already grown half a liter in size. The larger sprouts are great to eat raw, and the rest left to keep growing. Day 5 the sprouts are trying to burst out of the jar. I like to add a handful of fresh bean sprouts to a vegetable stir fry so I can pick through to find the larger sprouts and let the rest keep growing.